it's Sammy and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this week's video, as you read by the title, we will be unboxing the new BLACKPINK Lightstick. So it's the Hammer Bong VER.2 and I got it from Winter Blush Manila on Instagram. So if you don't know Winter Blush Manila on Instagram, they do get their merch from Korea and then they have it shipped here to the Philippines, so you can go check them out. Before we get to the unboxing and all the other stuff, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell or the notification box to know when I post every Friday. Let's get on to the video. So here it is. So Ani Danica lives super near me, so she just had it grabbed to my house. So here it is. Okay. As always, she gave me extras once again. So it says Annyeong Samantha. Thank you so much for always trusting us. Hope you will like this too. Stay safe always and Happy New Year. Sticky notes. I can't wait to use this. This is so cute. Look at that. Okay. Now moving on to the actual light stick. So funny story. While I open this, where is my cutter? So funny story. If you hear crying, that's my brother. I actually got my version 1 hammer bong from her as well. So it's really funny. So I got my version 2 from her as well. So here is this one has a stand this time. So there's nothing inside. Here's what comes inside. This is the quick guide. So I'm guessing it's like how to use it. The manual. There we go. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today. But here it is, the manual. So everything, it's Bluetooth. And then oh my gosh, how do I remove this? It has a stand this time. So the version 1 does not have a stand. Okay. So at the back of the box, there's also cautions on how to use this. This actually has an app that you can use. So we're going to go check that out in a bit. I'll probably input like a screen recording thing over here because I do not have 2 devices as I am using my phone to film this. Not like the first time where I had 2 phones. I gave my other phone to my sister. So yeah. So it still has the sound. That sound off, my bad. Hold on. It still makes sounds. There's that. And then this actually has you can charge it. It has a charger now. You can charge it. But it didn't come with a wire. It didn't come with a wire. So yeah, you need, you know, those USB chargers for like power banks and stuff. I'm guessing you can use that because it really didn't come with a wire. But it's sealed, so it's kind of weird. So I guess you should use your own. But yeah. So there is that. You can use a wire to charge. And then you can also put on batteries. So that's pretty cool. So for the rest of this video, I'm just gonna do a voiceover on how you can turn this on and stuff. And the stand is super duper cute. It says BLACKPINK and then there's a heart over here where you can just slide it and then you can make it stand, you can make it slanted, anything you want, but mine's probably gonna be standing. So yeah. Oh, and then it also comes with, of course, the wrist strap. So I'm guessing you just, let me look for it. I'm guessing you just input the wrist strap on through this hole. Ta-da! And And just like that. That's it. So this is the part where I show you how to use the functions of the light stick. Under here is where the battery is placed. You do need AAA batteries for this. So I just have like extra here. I always have extra just in case. Placing the batteries is pretty self-explanatory, so I won't really go into detail for that. Make sure the pointy thing there, as you can see, is the one that's going to be going inside the light stick itself, and the flat side of the battery holder is the one on there. So yeah, we're just gonna twist, and then bam! It's actually a brighter shade of pink than the version 1. I should have done like a comparison for this, but yeah. So there, that's how you use it with the battery. And now I'm going to show you how to use it with the USB port. So I'm going to be showing you guys that I am removing the batteries so that when I plug it in, you can see that it is indeed empty. So yeah. So I got the charger of my power bank. It has to be like that. You know those Samsung looking chargers? That's what you need. And then you're going to click it open, and there we have it. I actually tried it after, wherein if it does charge. I'm guessing it's just used for like a night light. You can't really charge the light stick itself, I'm guessing, because when I unplugged it and I clicked it, it wouldn't turn on. So I'm guessing that's the sole purpose of the port on the light stick. As you can see, I clicked it and it wouldn't turn on, so I'm guessing that's what the purpose is. So now I'm going to show you how to use the app of the light stick. So I didn't put in batteries, I decided to just use the USB port. So what you're gonna do is you are going to turn on your light stick, of course, and then you are going to double click the button and the light should turn blue. And then you're gonna click on BLACKPINK LIGHTSTICK version 2 detect. So it's going to detect your light stick and update it, I guess. It's actually a really long process, so we're gonna fast forward. So once we are almost at 100, it's going to flash like that, and then you are going to press and turn on the light stick, and then after that you are going to double tap the button again to change it to Bluetooth mode. So here I am reading the instructions because I was so confused. And then once you are going to do that, it's going to do the same thing but this time in Korean. So we are going to skip this part as it's just going to update once again. So here it is, we're almost at 100 again, and then once that's done, you're going to click on that, and there. You can change the brightness of the light stick. Those are the only colors available, sadly. And then there are two preset options, mood light 1, so it ends after 10 minutes, I guess. When you click on that, like what I said, if you want a night light, and then you click on that, it's going to die after 10 minutes. And then the mood light 2, which is in and out, I'm still trying to figure out the different brightness, but yeah, when you click on that, the light is supposed to like fade, you know, like Christmas lights. If you can see there, see, it's fading, and then it will turn on again. So that is mood light number 2. But I think you have to turn that off on your own. Whereas to mood light 1, if you click on that, it's just on for 10 minutes and then it will turn off. So yeah, that's it. That's all you can do with the app basically. There's not much colors to it. It's literally just black and pink. And yeah, that's it. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell on that notification box when I post every Friday. And I'll see you guys with another new video next Friday. Bye!